Oi. Erayo kariye. Erayo kariye. Erayo kariye. Erayo. Erayo kariye. Erayo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Kerry Mission. Actually, I'm at the village, and today we are going to. This is corn here. This is corn, and usually corn. At the village, this is our staple food. Like we make it flour. We take it to the portion mill just to make it flour, guys. So here today, I have kinu. I don't know how we call it. Drop a comment how we call this one here, guys. So today we are going to remove the skin of the corn, and that is called mutokoi according to Kamba culture. That's what they usually do here. So I am going to use the water and the corn here, guys. So we put the corn inside the kinu. Guys, we add water. We add water inside, much kidogo, and then we shall start. This is my first time doing this, guys, and I am just trying to see how it is going to come out, the outcome, guys. Removing the skin, making it a koi. And guys, you have to use forks like this one here, or all the water here. So guys, it is ready. Come and see, it is ready, and we are going to wash it, guys. We are going to wash it because of the see how it is. This is culture of the Kamba people. This one is ready to cook in the koi because the skin has been removed out, guys. See the skin here. Yeah. I don't know how much water I'm going to use here. Is it 3 times? If you are outside there and you are this tribe, the Kamba people, please, you can assist me. Drop a comment on what you think about this video here. Actually, this is my first time doing mutokoi. Sorry for the chicken. Actually, we are doing it in a local way. There are other people who take it to the portion mill, but us here, if you have 2 hands, you have to use this one here, and the kinu, and the maize corn. This is our staple food here at the village, actually. From Ugari, you can get corn from Ugari after taking it to the portion mill, guys. Sorry for the chicken. The chicken is making noise and you cannot control it. guys, after that we remove it from the kinu. It's the small one called kinu and the bigger one I don't know how they call them in Kiswahili, but in English I'm not sure of the word because maybe we google so that we found the name of these guys. Yeah. So we have to put it on the fire. Oh. This is the village lifestyle where we cook with firewood and the fire. It is affordable here in the village. Actually, people don't have money to buy gas, as you know. And if you have some trees, you have to go and cut and make some firewood so that you can use them. So we are going to wait for it for some time. Like, I don't know how long it's going to take because of the boiling. Like, so hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. If you haven't subscribed, please go do it. That's a better way of supporting me from here to village, guys. Thank you so much. So guys, after that I have to use another saucepan to cover the corn, and then we shall wait it to get ready. The firewood are very thick. It is so smoky. Oh. Sikuni hazikukauka. So guys, this is the firewood that we are using, like, and this is where we heat them here so that they're gonna dry up. They're gonna dry. Actually, I had said it. We have a toilet here because we want to change this here because of the other one that is not that good. So this one here, with some time, we want just to build it. That's why we are putting these timbers on top, guys, so that someone may not fall down. Guys, drop a comment. There is someone who told me that they're gonna assist, but then I don't know what happened. Yeah, guys, let me show you the toilet that we want to demolish. See. So what's up? Yeah, we are actually, this is my home village, and over there is like a church there, guys. This is the overview of our home, and today the weather is not that good. Actually, it's going to rain like early because you see the clouds like too. It is going to be like the clouds are going to be black and it's going to rain. Like, yeah, we have our tree, like, and this is our the house of our dog, guys. This is where it lives. Simba. This is where it lives, and usually we don't have a bad lock. We usually lock it with this stick here, and you remove it when you are feeding it, and then you open this lock here, guys. Hello Simba, how are you? Boom. This is how it is. This is very big, guys, as you can see here. See, go inside. This is the water here. We feed it here, and this is hello, how are you? It's very big, guys. Come inside. Come. inside, inside. Inside, go, 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 go. Inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Inside. Come. Come, go inside. Go inside. Inside. So. Yo, yo, yo. Wow. So we have to rock it, guys, like that. So these are our gates here, as you can see. It is very simple with the iron sheet, like so. What I was showing you, the toilet that we are going to build up there, we are going to demolish this one here because it's not that safe, because it is also old. Like you can see how old it is. The iron sheet, this is the outside one, guys. Why we want to demolish this one here, you can see how it is not that safe because of the iron sheet are old. Also, I think it is not good for it to be here, guys. So welcome. Here we are. Actually, I am at the village and I'm just showing you around. Usually there are those people who are new here and you don't know where I'm coming from. That's why I'm just taking you around sometimes, and so that you can get used to where I come from. Hope you enjoy the video here, guys. So here we have the bananas. These are the plantain. Also, you should be used about the village because it is very tall, as you can see. Like that one, you can sell it for $5, like when it is ready. Like when it is ready, yeah. We have, that's how much we have, yeah. And this is the road here, our Maram road that it takes us to town, like, guys. So here, and that is the small village road, our road that goes to our home, guys. That is it. I hope sometimes if you are new here, otherwise you are getting used to my home, like, guys. See, when you are going to the interior, guys. Also, we have the tea leaves that I usually show you like every day. That those people who are new, that's why I'm just showing you around. Like, this is our plot here. Hope you may get used to and drop a comment what you think about this video here, guys. It's very much amazing, very green all over here. It's not that far to the side where the river is, guys.